Hi, hello everybody. I am quite happy. I won from the raffle pot from the Lockpickers United Discord group, a raffle pot, number 37 if I can remember correctly. It's a Steve Dynamics pot, and just got to my house. So I think in order to thank him for putting in this this great prize, to share it with you, open it, what's inside, and try to maybe open one of the locks inside. I'm just not gonna say I'm gonna do it, but let's do it. So here, first thing, I don't exactly know what it is. Maybe it's a key. It's a key. It's very well packaged. So those are the keys. I'm not gonna take them out yet. I'm just gonna leave them here on the side. In the meantime, when I try to open okay, that's everything that's inside. Let's take a look at the locks. Maybe try to open one on site to see if I'm able to open it, and then if not, well, I will take a peek at the key. I think this is one of the locks. Yeah, it is. There's two locks and some picks and a pinning tray. Was part of the prize. Oh, look at this beauty. It is a Twin Pro, Assa Twin Pro. So a sidebar with fingerprints and 6 pins, maybe counter mill inside. So that's a very difficult one. For sure, this is not the lock I'm willing to try to open today. That's still kinda out of my league. But thanks a lot. I was looking forward to put my hands on in my hands on one of these. Thanks a lot, Steve. This is the other lock. It's really shiny inside. It's a Dorma lock. It's very well protected. It's a Dorma lock. DC3003, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins. I'm gonna give it a try later. This class is a blue belt lock. I don't know. I took a look at a video from Red Wonder on this lock to know what's inside. Double spool driver pins, some counter milling to match that spooling. Looks difficult. I mean, it really looks really difficult. I don't think I'm going to be able to open it, but well, I think it is worth a try. Then there is the picks, multi-pick set. Look at this, is just gorgeous. If you have seen my videos, you know I love multi-pick, at least on the side of flags for dimples. There's a little bit of everything here. V42, 0.5 millimeters, 0.6 millimeters, 0.6. Yeah, there's a little bit of everything. That's awesome. I mean, half diamond with high reach, flat long hook, a short Bogota or a short snake, I'm not sure. Short flat short hook, medium short flat hook. This is a very thin one. This is the one I kind of love. 0.5 millimeters. I do really like when they are thin here. This is also rather long hook, I would say. Flat. Yeah, we compare. Yeah, they're roughly the same size there. 0.5 millimeters and 0.5 millimeters. Wow, great. Makes 8 picks. Very good quality picks. Thanks a lot. That's I'm gonna try. We are here. I'm gonna try to on the pouch to put them inside. Great as well. I'm just gonna try to use one of these for the picking of the Dorma cover. Finally, this is the last thing. This is a mowtray. I see it has been 3D printed. Very good. That's not has no. Is it machine? I think it's 3D printed. Yeah. It's funny to say. Yeah, sorry. It's probably. I'm quite happy because my tray is, you see, it's already dirty. The finishing is very rough. It's black. We don't see things very well, so I'm quite happy to have something smaller, better finished, and in a lighter color. So just great. So what I suggest is I'm gonna put the lock here. Okay, gonna pick it the right way. Not European style, Scandinavian style. Let's put it here to see it a little bit. What's gonna be useful here? 1 millimeter maybe? Might work. And I will say, I think I can reach the pins from the bottom. Yeah, gonna show it. I think I'm gonna be able to reach the pins from the bottom here. So yeah, I'm gonna try a longer hook. I don't really know anything about the beating. I'm gonna test the 0.6 at the beginning to have a better feedback. This is a 0.4. There's a 0.6 here. Not this one. This is a rake. 0.5, 0.5. Well, let's go with a 0.5. I have to choose this one. Let's put this here. This beautiful Assa here. Okay. I lost my tensor. Okay, let's give it a try. I'm gonna probably fail, so I'm starting at 8 minutes. Gonna give me 10 minutes to fail, and then move to another thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's one is. It's okay. Just feeling around a little bit how they behave.
Nobody moved. about you, throw it in the trash. I've been juggling so long, I don't think I can hold on. Where were you when I needed you the most? Now I'm sitting here with the black hole in my chest. A heartless, broken mess.
Okay. Gonna call it a defeat. Well, anyway, let's see what was the beating. I'm keeping you here. Long ones at the end, short ones at the beginning. Yeah, I was mostly probably oversetting a little bit. Second one and the third one for sure was pushing it. I had the impression that the second one was long. These two couldn't tell, and in between. Well, it's in between. Yeah, and that's the beating for the other lock. So never tried a twin before, so it's a twin 2, a twin pro. There it is. Okay, thanks a lot, Steve. Well, hope I will get one video of me able to pick one of these two locks. I would be very happy if it's already this one. Bye bye, thanks.